rain is starting to come down now. Oh man, what a stormy morning in the Bay Area. Even LA is getting pounded with heavy rain. It's been the strongest down there in years.